Hi there, Mark here again. Got Rob on the camera.
Hiya.
It's getting a bit late now, so I was going to say today, but this evening we're going to be giving this 1/18 scale Haiboxing or HBX stadium race truck a little speed test. I'm not sure of the number now, it's an 18 something.
Yeah.
I'll put that on the screen, the model number. But yeah, it's a sweet little truck. We'll give it its first run today, and it goes quite well. I think I've seen that it's rated at somewhere about 30k, but I'm not really sure about that.
No, I'll be surprised.
Yeah, but let's find out. Hey Rob, there's the speed meter on there.
It
set
is.
to 0.
I can't see it. Get my head in the way, there we go, bit of shade. Yeah.
So let's see what it does. Got it, dude.
Yep. We're all set, sir.
Have you got it, Rob?
I have.
Here we go.
Wow, soon goes little.
No, it's always little. No, it doesn't look that quick, does it?
It doesn't. But I certainly never do on camera, if you ask me. Oh, nice spinning.
Well, I didn't mean to do that. It's this loose surface, isn't it? There's a lot of gravel on this.
There is.
And I do. I bet I can't do that on demand.
No.
How's that?
Hey. Yep.
You don't normally get that in a speed test, do you?
No.
Okay, let's just take it up here and back again, and that should do us, shouldn't it?
Yep.
I can't stop doing donuts, Rob. Let's have a look, what have we got?
What have we got?
I bet it's the same as your Asterion, is it?
It's not. I can't see anything. Oh, I think it's a mile an hour less, mate. 15.
15 miles an hour.
Yep.
Right, let's pick it up. So there you go, I'll have to do the conversion for you into kph, but it's definitely not 30.
No.
Anyway, still fast enough for some fun.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Cheers.
See you next
Bye.
time. Bye.